Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video, we're going to be discussing the tourist visa, the Thai tourist visa specifically, and the way it sort of evolves. In the past, we had what was called a triple entry tourist visa. There were certain consulates that were willing to issue essentially simultaneously, three separate 60-day tourist visas at the same time. Now, those who've been around the Thai visa system, the Thai immigration system, will know a 60-day tourist visa can be extended by another 30 days here in the kingdom. Therefore, getting three 60-day tourist visas would allow the individual holding such travel documents to essentially spend 9 full months in the Kingdom of Thailand at a given stretch. As has been noted in previous videos on this channel, there has been quite a movement within the Thai immigration system and within the apparatus of enforcement of immigration law to go ahead and sort of weed out the people that are using temporary visas in order to essentially live and possibly work here in the kingdom. One thing that's kind of become a casualty of the change in policy is this triple entry tourist visa scheme. It's my understanding there are still certain posts that are willing to issue 3 consecutive tourist visas, 60 days, but they're becoming fewer and further between. They're not exactly, it's not exactly a regularly done thing as it was in the past. And the one system that's been brought in to sort of phase out the old tourist visa scheme is this new tourist visa system associated with the 6-month tourist visa. This is discussed more at length in another video on this channel, but it's of note with respect to the so-called triple entry visas of the past, because in the past one had to it was a multi-entry setup. One had to leave presumably every 90 days if one went ahead and got the 30-day extension on top of the 60 days in every rollover of the visa and every rollover of status here in the kingdom. The new 6-month visa is multi-entry, and the holder of it will go ahead and get a 60-day stamp at each entry into the kingdom, and then that individual is going to have the option to go ahead and extend by 30 days or do a border run and just pick up another 60 days and then do another border run and pick up another 60 days. Again, it's a 6-month visa, so however one does it, either extending in country or for 30 more days, or leaving the country and getting 3 sets of 60, you're going to end up with the same thing. You're going to end up with 6 months. It looks like they're trying to do this to go ahead and sort of phase out the old system, and it looks like they're phasing out the triple entry tourist visas, although again, it hasn't been fully phased out, at least as of the time of this filming. I know that from anecdotal evidence. However, it looks like that the fundamental policy moving forward is one of, you basically can't be in Thailand longer than 60 days out of any given 1 year in what can only be described as a temporary visa. So they're getting harsher and harsher on 30-day stamps. If they see more than about 4 or 5 in a given year and no more than 6 in a given year, they start turning people away. And also with respect to tourist visas, it doesn't look like it's going to be possible moving forward to easily or with any kind of certainty get longer than 60 days in tourist visa status out of any given 1 year at a stretch in order to remain here in the kingdom.